Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 14 of the Cougar Connection. We had another great week here at Simons Middle School, and this week we want to spotlight Miss Megan Conley as our student spotlight. Megan is an 8th grade student, and she's a member of the Blue Barracudas team, and this week she was elected by her peers to serve as the JAG chapter president here at Simons Middle School. She led the JAG induction ceremony with the help of Miss Linda McKee. She has overcome her fear of public speaking, and she is absolutely shining this year in her leadership role at Simons Middle School. So congratulations, Megan. We are so proud of your accomplishments, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things that you're going to do in the future and as a student here at Simons Middle School for the rest of this year. Our staff spotlight for this week is Mr. Paul King. As many of you know, Mr. King always does what's best for students. He cares a lot about the kids here at Fleming County and his job. And he is really big right now into making sure that our kids have opportunities that are real world. Recently, Mr. King received a grant to continue to fund some of the Beehive projects here at Simons Middle School. So we just want to thank Mr. King for all of his work that he does for school and for Cougar Hill Farm, and just shout out to you, Mr. King. Keep up the great work. So upcoming this week, we do have several things on the agenda. On Monday, tomorrow, students, you are going to be traveling to the high school. We're going to enjoy the Veterans Day program there. Also, we will have an admin team meeting tomorrow morning at 8:30. And teachers, don't forget that content PLCs for science and math are going to be after school starting at 3:10 on Monday. On Tuesday, students and staff, we do have picture retakes. Students, if you're absent, you can have your picture remade for free. If you genuinely need a retake, please make sure you bring with you $2 to get your picture retaken. Also, that evening at Simons Middle School will be at Nicholas County. The academic team will, so good luck, academic team Panthers. And we also have a SPED PLC at 1 o'clock in the conference room. Leadership team members, I will meet with you at 3:15 after school on Tuesday. And there are a few teachers who are going to be working through BPI initiatives on that day. So those of you who have been selected for that, please don't forget that meeting is on Tuesday. Wednesday looks to be all quiet as of right now. Thursday, we also have an academic team match at Mason County. And we will have a PLC day on Thursday, teachers. Basketball versus Bracken County will be at home on Thursday evening. And we also have a tobacco-free school visit that's going on Thursday, and it's only a select few students in Miss High. On Friday, of course, students and teachers, don't forget that's Canwell Mess Friday. And teachers, we will be having our chili cook-off for the fall season this year at SMS. And also, parents, just one reminder, we do have some upcoming long-term events. The Winter Dance is coming up. The date on that, I believe, is December the 14th. So please make sure that you're talking to your students about that. If they want to go, they do need to have a signed permission form, and they need to pay as soon as possible. And then also, students, parents, if you have a TI-83 or a TI-84 graphing calculator that's just laying around your house, we are in need of some of those at Simons Middle School, and we will gladly take those off your hand and provide to you a tax write-off form. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.